This is a comparison video for this MERACH magnetic rowing machine. And what I'm doing is I'm just comparing it to most other rowing machines in kind of like the home rowing machine category and just giving you an idea on, is this a right buy for you with that comparison. So in comparing this MERACH rowing machine to most others, number one, smooth, quiet magnetic resistance with 16 levels. If you come over here, you have the resistance is, you adjust that right here. We can go all the way down to 1, all the way up to 16, as you can see. So very smooth. And it's got, dude, it has a very smooth belt. This magnetic rowing vibe, it's so smooth. And you can easily feel whenever you switch the resistance, it just effortlessly adjusts. And it's just a very smooth vibe. So there's something about that magnetic one that's very smooth. Also, the bass is smooth as well. So that's first. Typically, you get more of these budget rowing machines. You have a lot of issues. You also have a lot of noise. This thing is extremely quiet, both here and here. So that's good. So point number 2, app connectivity and tracking for better motivation. So absolutely, with MERACH products, any MERACH products you get, all you have to do is scan the QR code on the machine and you're able to download a free app. This app is not just some ordinary app. They actually have real classes with real instructors that are guiding you through like real workouts. And they can also track everything with the app. So what you're doing, the speed you're going, the resistance level you have, the calories you're burning, it's all trackable on the app, all in one place. So that's absolutely amazing. Okay. And when you're comparing that to budget rowing machines, you're not going to get that. You're getting the functionality that people are paying hundreds of dollars a month for with like, or whatever they're paying. I don't know. They're paying thousands of dollars for the machines, and then they're paying a monthly subscription fee to get access to the classes. MERACH is completely undercutting everybody in that regard. So that's pretty amazing, especially if you want to do some classes, but you don't want to go to the gym. So that's really amazing. Point number 3, stable dual slide rail and high weight capacity. So this weight capacity is actually 350 pounds. And when you consider how lightweight this thing is, that's pretty amazing. So this is going to fit, I would say, most people, even people on a little bit of the heftier side. And I think that's really amazing because those are the people who really need to get into, more activity anyways. So the other thing is it's very storable like this, and it's also incredibly lightweight as it is. So all across the board, I think this checks all the boxes, especially when you get down to the app connectivity and the classes that you get that are just included with, when you look at the number on the product page, you're not usually getting that kind of value for something like this. So I think that alone makes the comparison to most others in this category, it's hard to even compare it because you're talking about apples to oranges. If apples is like way better than oranges, this is the apple.